Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Project Makeover step by step. Open the app and tap the campaign to start a level. Choose challenges, complete styling minigames, and manage resources like gems and coins. Upgrade outfits and home items to meet client tastes and objectives. Use boosts wisely when stuck, replay levels for better rewards, and balance aesthetics with objectives to progress through chapters and unlock new characters and items. Let's dig into controls and mechanics to make you efficient and creative in Project Makeover. Tap outfit pieces to swap looks, use the color and pattern options for quick variations, and mix accessories to raise style scores. In Makeover challenges, prioritize client preferences shown at top of the screen, then match colors and themes. For home decor, place items strategically to meet room goals. Keep an eye on timers and special events. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please really subscribe and like the video to support future content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are comfy and built to last, perfect for long gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks everyone for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To level up faster, focus on completing daily missions and limited time events that reward experience and currency. Revisit earlier levels to farm coins and outfits when objectives line up with your goals. Join a community or watch optional ads for bonus rewards, but manage your play to avoid burnout. Prioritize upgrades that unlock better styles or room items, and always preview client reactions before finalizing a look to avoid wasted resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.